Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So myself, I am Mansa. Today my subject is 8051 Microcontroller and subject code is BEC405A. And today my topic is microprocessor versus microcontroller. So let us see microcontroller. So this 8051 microcontroller is a popular and widely used microcontroller developed by Intel in 1980. It is a 8-bit microcontroller with a simple and compact design, making it ideal for embedded systems. So here we can see that microcontroller it includes oscillator, AD or converters, RAM, microprocessor, program memory, and I/O peripherals. So let us see what are the key features of 8051 microcontroller. It also includes like architecture. So it is a 8-bit CPU with a hardware architecture, meaning separate memory spaces for code and data. So next is memory. This typically it includes 4 kilobyte of on-chip ROM and 128 bytes of RAM. So next is I/O ports. So there are four parallel I/O ports, each 8 bits wide, providing a total of 32 I/O lines. So next is timers. Two 16-bit timers are counters for timing and event counting operations. So next is serial communication, an integrated UART for serial communication. So next is interrupts. So there are mainly 5 interrupt sources with 2 priority levels. So next is clock. Operates with an external clock or crystal oscillator typically running at 12 megahertz. So these are the key features of microcontroller. So next is microprocessor. So this a microprocessor is an integrated circuit, that is IC, that contains the functions of a central processing unit, that is CPU, of a computer. It is the brain of the computer where most calculations take place. So microprocessors are used in a variety of applications, from general purpose computers to embedded systems in applications and industrial devices. So that we can see the diagram of a chip of a microprocessor. So next is what this microprocessor includes. It includes a arithmetic logic unit, that is ALU. It performs arithmetic and logic operations. Next is control unit, that is CU. It directs the operation of the processor. And next is registers. This is small, fast storage locations within the CPU. And next is cache, a small sized type of volatile computer memory that provides high speed data access to the processor. So here we can see diagram of a microprocessor chip inside microprocessor. It includes like timing systems, instruction decoder, data buffers, timing controller, register array, program counter, so arithmetic logic unit. So this is a on inside the microprocessor. So next let us see the what are the difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. So if we come to microprocessor, microprocessor are widely used in computer system, but this microcontroller is widely used in embedded systems. So this microprocessor it has only a CPU embedded into it, but this microcontroller it is a CPU, a fixed amount of RAM, ROM, and other peripherals all embedded on it. So if we come to microprocessor, in case of microprocessor, we have to connect all the components externally. So the circuit becomes large and complex. But in microcontroller, as all the components are internally connected in microcontroller, So this circuit size is small. So next, this microprocessor, it consumes more power, but this microcontroller, it consumes less power than a microprocessor. So next is this microprocessor, it has very less internal register storage, so it has to rely on external storage. So all memory operations are carried out using memory based external commands, which results in high processing time. So if we come to microcontroller, it has many registers program, the time is less. So this is the main difference between the microprocessor and microcontroller. So we can clearly see that this is a difference where we can see clearly about microprocessor and microcontroller. So if we come to microprocessor, this microprocessor, it contains ALU, control unit, register array, that memory unit, and input and output devices. So if we come to microcontroller, it is in external interrupts we can see interrupt controller, CPU, OSC, and it contains RAM, ROM, and timer 1, timer 0. These are counter inputs, and this ROM contains of bus controller, and it contains IO ports, that is P0, P1, P2, P3. It is nothing but port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3, and it is a address or data. So here next is serial port. It consists of RXT and TXT. So this is a clearly difference between a microprocessor and microcontroller. So thank you for watching my video. Please like and share.